IELTSspeaking.ca. IELTS Speaking Part 1 topic about organizing your time. Here are the Part 1 questions about how you organize your time. Now, let's look at some Band 9 model answers to these questions. Yes, I do, or at least for the majority of the week I do. I believe that it's good for people to follow a ritual. What I mean is that when I only have a vague sense of priorities, I don't feel happy about myself. I like to start my mornings off by sitting down with a blank piece of paper to plan the rest of my day out. Of course, I'm not a machine, so there may be 1 or 2 days a week when I slip up. When I'm not feeling overworked and tired, I prefer to be engaged in something that keeps me productive and busy. You know that if you just sit back without being focused on something, you'll find that the day will manage you and not the other way around. That being said, I still like to have a good work-life balance, which includes some time for relaxation. Staying too busy all the time can really wear the body down. Yes, most of the time I do. I think that being organized may lead to feeling more in control and having more mental energy. I see myself as a do-it-now kind of person who likes to free up my time by getting things out of the way. I don't like to be lazy and say things like, oh, I'll do it 2 hours later. By acting this way, I'm more productive, or at least better than I would have been otherwise, or better than I would have otherwise been. Well, sometimes, when I have too many things on my plate, I can get stressed easily. I find that it causes me to spread my attention too thin. That's why I prefer unitasking instead of multitasking. Also, every once in a while, it is hard for me to stick to a plan and to maintain concentration for long periods. So, I have to deliberately remind myself to take breaks, which will help me stay energized and focused. Thank you for watching!